Here are some highlights of the September issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Cities can't afford downtime. Felix Construction's field-first crews and self-performing model keep water and sewer systems running without compromise. Want to see how they earn decades-long trust from utilities? Read more. Water under pressure doesn't just clear sewers, it can fuel the grid. Ontario is betting on water, gravity, and smart engineering to power 1 million homes. Curious how it works? Check this out. The 2025 Annual Buyer's Guide puts sewer and water infrastructure manufacturers at your fingertips. The tools you need and the companies you trust, organized alphabetically and by category for fast, no-nonsense reference. It starts with a rustle in the brush or a coil at the bottom of a box. For field crews, being alert can mean the difference between a close call and a strike. Industrial polluters thought they could hide in the flow, but not in Phoenix. They just gave their sewers a set of digital eyes. Pulling a pump doesn't need to take a crew, a crane, and half a day. Above-ground stations are rewriting the rulebook on service and uptime. What do school posters and sewer service vans have in common? In Florida, they're teaming up to push water conservation. Anyone who's fought a grease choke knows that sometimes the only answer is turning up the heat. Enter this hot water jetter from Amazing Machinery. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.